Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of hydroponic potato cultivation, a fascinating method for growing this staple crop. If you're eager to explore a soil-free, space-efficient approach to potatoes, you're in the right place. Let's get started with a comprehensive step-by-step guide in just 2 minutes. You might think you need acres of land to grow potatoes, but not with hydroponics. Whether you have a small balcony, room corner, or garage, you can successfully cultivate potatoes hydroponically. And if natural light is scarce, don't worry, grow lights will come to the rescue. Did you know that NASA is exploring hydroponic potato cultivation for space missions? The science behind it is intriguing. Thanks to innovative techniques, even home gardeners have access to this wealth of knowledge. When growing hydroponic potatoes, keep in mind that they need room to stretch their roots and leaves. Also, they're not fans of excess moisture. Precision drip systems are your friends in this endeavor. Several hydroponic systems can be adapted for potato cultivation, like the nutrient film technique and drip irrigation in large containers. They're surprisingly water efficient. Now, let's talk about potato varieties. Some top choices include Accent, Casablanca, Charlotte, and more. Starting with sprouting potatoes from nurseries is recommended over grocery store ones, as they're often treated with anti-sprouting agents. To get started, you'll need seed potatoes or those with multiple eyes from the store. You can even slice a store-bought potato to maximize your yield. Remember to let the seed pieces dry overnight before planting. Keep the pH level at 6.0, water temperature between 70°F to 75°F, and provide 6 to 12 hours of light daily using grow lights if needed. The good news is indoor hydroponic systems reduce the risk of pests and diseases, but keep an eye out for any signs of trouble and address them promptly. Harvesting time varies, but it's typically around 70 to 90 days. Make sure you monitor for signs that your potatoes are ready for harvest to get the best quality and yield. Hydroponic potato cultivation is on the rise, with NASA scientists even interested in its potential for space exploration. So, as technology advances, expect more exciting innovations in this field. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting gardening tips and innovative methods. Until next time.